Guys, when it comes to protecting your iPhone, you know what? Having a case on it makes all the difference, and having the right case on it, which blends style and protection, is definitely worth considering. And today we're checking out some cases from Benks for the iPhone 17 Pro. We're checking out the ArmorPro, the ArmorAir, and also we're going to throw in the ArmorGo stand wallet and their GlassWarrior Sapphire screen protector. Now, each one is designed with Kevlar strength, premium style and smart functionality. So let's see if these are really worth the hype. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, if you don't know Benks, well, they have a solid reputation for combining craftsmanship with real-world practicality. Their latest lineup brings that philosophy to the iPhone 17 Pro using materials like DuPont Kevlar, fiber and sapphire-coated glass to deliver both durability and design. And we've got two of their cases today to take a look at, the ArmorPro and the ArmorAir, as well as the ArmorGo stand wallet and the GlassWarrior screen protector. Now, before we get into it, Benks reached out and asked me to take a look at this iPhone 17 Pro lineup and to give them an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these unboxed and see what we have. So guys, as usual, Benks nails the presentation. Clean, minimal and premium. Inside each box you get the case, some documentation, and that is it. No unnecessary extras, just quality gear. Now first up, let's take a look at the ArmorPro, finished in obsidian black and woven from genuine DuPont Kevlar using Benks's Giallo technique. Now I don't actually know what that means, but this geometric texture looks sophisticated and feels incredibly sturdy. And we've also got the ArmorAir, also Kevlar built in, but lighter and slimmer. It comes in obsidian black, azure blue, and this terra orange, which I really like. And each of these has got a refined matte finish. Next up, guys, you get the ArmorGo stand wallet. This one blends Kevlar durability with practical everyday use. It's a protective case and wallet stand all in one. And the nice thing about this is that the wallet also incorporates a stand. So you've got card storage and you've got a built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing. And of course, full MagSafe compatibility. And finally guys, the GlassWarrior Sapphire screen protector. This sapphire-coated screen protector is scratch resistant with a bubble-free installation and a super smooth touch finish. Now guys, looking at these cases, and the ArmorPro is the toughest of the bunch. It's designed for serious protection. It's got a TPU shock absorbing frame, independent metal buttons, and an aluminium camera frame for extra security. It's MagSafe compatible, signal safe, and coated with an Exima UV layer to resist scratches and fingerprints. To me, it's the daily tank. Solid, comfortable and built to last. Next up guys, the ArmorAir. For those of you who want a slimmer fit, the ArmorAir delivers minimalistic style and strength. You get the same Kevlar weave but with a lightweight minimal profile. You still get MagSafe support, an aluminium lens frame and a volcanic lens guard to keep that camera safe. It's stylish, subtle and perfect. If you don't want the extra bulk, this is the one to go for. I mean, okay, this color isn't that subtle, right? But you know what? It's kind of grown on me. Now guys, to that ArmorGo stand wallet. I mean, since Apple launched their Mag wallet, there's a ton of these around, right? But you know what? These all come in matching colour schemes to match their cases. They combine protection, storage and usability all in a sleek Kevlar inspired design. And you get that folding magnetic stand, which is ideal for watching videos or for making video calls. And inside there's space for a couple of cards or IDs. It's MagSafe ready, drop resistant and feels premium in the hand. If you're someone who wants protection plus practicality, Benks has you covered. And lastly guys, to top off that phone protection, we have the GlassWarrior Sapphire screen protector. The sapphire-coated surface offers insane scratch resistance while keeping perfect clarity. It maintains the smooth feel of the original iPhone display, and thanks to its precise edges, it's also easy to install and just blends in perfectly with no bubbles. So guys, there you have it. The ArmorPro is rugged and built for maximum protection. The ArmorAir is slim and stylish for everyday use. I like it. And the ArmorGo stand wallet adds versatile on-the-go functionality, all paired perfectly with the GlassWarrior screen protector for premium display protection. And guys, at around $39.99 for each case and $32.99 for the screen protector, it's a seriously impressive lineup for the price. I'll leave any discounts and any links in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Benks for sending me this very cool lineup to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.